Come back. Sorry that the video was very lengthy, so I thought to break it, and now I'll continue with Amazon, Moz, and Udemy. So these three platform I will give you, and how to get it. Amazon trainings courses they have launched freely available, and believe me, this will help you a lot if you are going for the IT companies or IT market, because this certificate will be valued in any interview. So let me go and demonstrate. So what you have to do, you just search Moz Academy, and you have to open the Moz Academy. Once you open the Moz Academy, before that I must let you know, Moz Academy is not providing the certificate, it is providing on knowledge. If you are very much interested in software search engine optimization technology, you must go. Every courses are having cost around $150 and all, 149 to 89. It's all in dollars, so you can go and opt that, and you can get this, complete the certificate, and get the knowledge. Once you have this knowledge, you can use this knowledge for your self-help, or if you go to the industry, you can get it there. So Moz Academy has gave the promo code, which promo code is we got this. You any course which you want to opt, then you can use this promo code. So let me before that I must tell you, you have to log into that. So how you have to do, so what you do, it log into the account. Okay, already it took my default login. So what you have to do, let me click in. So first a starter pack. So in that, what you have to do, you go there. So it is already registered, and I have completed also. So once it is let me check with some other course which is not registered. So this is not registered. So this is also telling the selling the value search engine optimization. So, and this duration is also told here. So what you also see, the purchase button is there. So you have to click the purchase button. Once you click it here, it will ask you, it will navigate to this page. So don't worry, this payment detail you don't have to put. Simply you have to give the code, which is what is the code here. We got this. Okay, you write this promo code and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, this dollar, the total amount it is showing here, $149, it will reduce to 0. So see, it is reduced to 0. When it is done, you click the purchase, and once you click the purchase, it will come to your account. See, you come here, so it will be there. If you go down, see, this is registered, the label became registered, and you can start. Once you start, you can finish the course. Okay, you have different modules you have to finish. Okay, there's another you have that Eduonix. For this, let me tell you, this is also good platform where you can search any courses. It will cost you, but I'm going to give you another way which will help you to opt for or enroll for any courses which is available there absolutely with free. So what is that link? This link also I will paste down, don't worry. So this link I'm going to copy and paste it here. So here, once you come, it will go down and it will list all the certificate course. Say for example, project in enterprise Java. Let me go and click more. It will navigate to the new page, and here it will give you all the detail about the project. If you want to know the more detail in order to decide whether you have to do this course or not, you can go through this page, and here in short I'll tell you what are the things it is, who is the provider, the Udemy and Udemy Private Limited, as what is available here. So it is under the CS programming, self-paced 12-hour durations, no extra exams or final projects are there. Assessment is available, yes, assessment is available. Certificate is also available, yeah, it is written. What is it's in English. And what you have to do, then you have to click on enroll in class. So once you enroll in class, it will take you to the Udemy website. What happened? Net is slow, so it is taking some little bit time. So see, it navigated to the Udemy. Once you come to the Udemy, see, it was 2750. After discount it was 275. Now this is absolutely free, you don't have to pay a single rupee. This is there, then you click enroll, and you got this course enrolled. It is there under your course. Once it is enrolled, you can go and start. You go to the dashboard, and let's see what other courses are there. So I have already enrolled previous courses. This is just now I have enrolled, so I click start course, and you can start the course. You can listen the lecture. Once you finish, some of the quizzes will be there. After finishing this course, you will receive the certificate. So your certificate will look like this. So this certificate I have completed on JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, so your certificate will be look like this, and this also you can include in the LinkedIn website. Okay, and one thing I was telling about the Amazon has provided some of the free courses. So what you have to do, you just type aws.training, hit enter, it will navigate to these websites. So these all are related to cloud computing fundamental, cloud computing compute, EC2, then we have to AWS, all the fundamental knowledge, machine learning, then we have serverless computing, and etc. networking, and whatever courses you are interested in, you can go and get certificate. Some of the certificates are just 10-minute certificate. You can immediately get the certificate after completion 10 minutes course. So what you have to do, you have to log in. So you click login, and this you have to choose the, you don't select the Japan and China, you just select all region, hit sign in that you give, if you don't have the profile, you create with the given information, and if already have account, you can go and click sign in. Once you signed in, then you can opt for courses, you can complete and you can get the certificate. So after completion it will come, see some of the courses which I have completed recently, it is there. Now you can go and start some other courses. So for example, introduction to Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. So here if you come, what you have to do, you have to click launch. Once you click the launch button, it will start the module. Okay, this website is not opening, but since I have opened in the Safari, so it is not letting me open. I will suggest you to open in the Google Chrome or the Mozilla, so it will work. Okay, let me copy the same link and open in Chrome. Okay, so first sign in I have done already, right? Okay, once again sign in is asking. Let me sign in, not like this, S3 3. Okay, so now you resume it. Once it is open, it will open in the pop-up window and the video lecture will start from there. So you can start. See, another window has opened. This window will be lecture window. Once it starts, you can start the lecture and it will finish. So this way you have to do. Okay, once you finish, what you have to do, you go back there and see some courses are already completed. I'll show you how you can get the certificate. Say for example, I have recently completed this not this one. Okay, let me check it. So once you have completed, it will write here completed, you have completed this course on 28. So what you have to do, two symbols are there, one is here, one is evaluate. So you click this one and you get the certificate. So the Amazon provided certificate will be look like this. Duration is given, when you have completed that is given. Okay, so this course is also, and this is your verification code. This is your verification code. You can use this verification code to add this in LinkedIn. So these three platform I have given you, you can enjoy. And one thing in Eduonix I did not mention the extra some of the courses which will help you. You can go to the maximum courses which is available here. You can explore whatever the courses. This is not limited for 1 and 2 courses. There are n number of courses that you can explore and go to there, but you have to go through. If you search the same course, suppose a Spring Framework, I want to search, I want to enroll for this course. If you search directly to the Udemy, I want to search here. Go here. If you search directly, this will not show you. It will ask you to pay some amount. Let's search Spring Framework for Beginner. So see, a Spring Framework for Beginner, same course, it is asking for 275 rupees. But let me tell you, if you go through this, click it here with more information, you come to this page and you click enroll in class and see, it is 0 rupees. Okay, certificate is available, etc. Total 6.5 hours duration courses are there, 27 lectures are there. You can finish and you can get the certificate. I'll suggest you to finish this course because you are sitting freely and you are absolutely idle and you can get the certificate. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you will get the benefit.